This is Arun Jaktiani from Island Real Estate Team, and I'm so excited to welcome you inside residence number 1 here at Ocean Residence, currently under construction in sunny St.Maarten. So this 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom is about 1,800 square feet on the inside. And get this, it has a wraparound balcony of almost 800 square feet. So I'm gonna make my way into the living room area. Just so you know, back here you have a powder room. You've also got a separate laundry room. You've got the guest bedroom over on that end, and you've got the master suite on this side. But one of my favorite features of this floor plan is the views. When you're sitting in the center of your living room right here, you almost don't know which way to look, because off on this side, you've got this amazing view overlooking all the mega yachts. You're even gonna see them as they pass in and out of the Simpson Bay Channel. But then over on this end of your wraparound balcony, you're looking straight down Simpson Bay Beach. You're looking out at Simpson Bay Lagoon. You're also looking on the French side of St.Maarten, and you can see the neighboring island of Anguilla way in the distance. Pretty spectacular. One more feature I want to highlight to you guys on this floor plan. We're going to step into the master suite. So here in the master bedroom, this is your view from the bedroom. And also it's got a really spectacular spa-like master bathroom here. I'm going to step into this space and just look at this wow factor as you're in here. And pretty cool as well when you're in the shower. You know, this is the view that you're gonna have looking across, straight across the lagoon to the mega yachts. Really, really special.